Stop cracking your knuckles. You'll get arthritis. Will you? Your grandma said it. Your teacher said it. But science says no, cracking your knuckles doesn't damage joint. That pop, it's just gas bubbles collapsing in your joint fluid. Totally harmless, no arthritis link. A doctor even cracked the knuckles on one hand every day for 60 years. Guess what? No arthritis. No difference. Crack too hard or too often, you might get some swelling or reduced grip, but still no arthritis. My busted. Crack away. Just don't blame it for arthritis. Like and subscribe for more truth bombs like this.